Hi, and welcome to the IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use color inversion in IDQ Pro. This algorithm computes the complement of the image, where black and white colors are reversed. In the output image, dark areas become lighter, and light areas become darker. For color images, reds become cyan, greens become magenta, blues become yellow, and vice versa. To start, you'll want to go to Filtering and Enhancement, and then select Color Inversion. You can now visualize the color inversion. The color inversion algorithm can also be applied to the RGB presentation. Each color channel of the resulting image is the complement of the corresponding complementary color channels in the original image. This inverted image can be returned to the original by going to Filtering and Enhancements and selecting Remove All Filters and Enhancements. You can also select Reset. But no, this is global and will reset the entire dataset back to the original. For more information, visit idcubes.com/documentation.